03022111701 03022111702 03022111703 03022111704 ya botre me ba supporters so ya ne tema me mame kwa o man so me nimre why me makotoko ni bia ana Ghana ni bia 4 seconds to fire more fire 03022111701 03022111702 03022111703 03022111704 me nimre ajana o 3 seconds yeti o
so asema na wakano na niye ko Africa ye beka fight na ya pon players ni nyina nti e die no mo pese ye kotoko supporters ni maton so ani amuwo no mo mbo hu ban ma mo mpiti omo Yakuba wo ye den a Yakuba oyegu enye kwa obehye nti mo mbo mu ban na mo manye hu ye supporters ni ye hu ye ko so wo team no
oja mame ko Boatma Lampard Boatma more fire na school led TV bet Boatma Lampard in wasting me time pato.
Kotoko players they are complaining about AstroTurf. This is the first time that they are going to play on AstroTurf. So your best players no. Then Kotoko call this season no more money zones now. That was come to me for me no man for this time I went so much. We should no players I do they have name but you want to penny asante Kotoko.
Oja Ima more fire.
My venture on the table can man so. My venture has to support and I venture to support. Now I can't tell me ene bola e do yan no na rebo kan kan no na rebo an ka Ghana for ka Africa na bna kwaje bai omo tra mo kwa ko capital for farm shop on be ko na ma ba ko ma ta beta
oja mami ko Ibrahim phobia o more fire blasters for na sabi jimie na ko fo be sa jimie ni bia phobia yetio
songo mi duwo se krum mi dia Ibrahim phobia songo yede kakra ye ka cho omo so omo ye professional e no omo play omo crab e be pie mu kuma se asante kotoko etinya artificial turf no e na obema na dada e na wo hwe kana ku penyin e bona eni kwan so wo na wo kototo papa so na kanu players for ne ye so omo wo timba mo so afa no ma ye eti ye bibi ma ye wu jidi a e wo mu eni je nti atim ni e de be foul
oja Razak Kosovo yeti Razak
Songo benese complete tone ya so ya tubia anwana na umbe popo mo bana e rushe so umbe popo ma ko di bia no o ma mutu ya so complete be na ya ten de be onyo na ye tone ya so e de sha pepe
oja Apirugu more fire Apirugu
yes more fire there countryman Ghana first you best say Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no say omunti no omunaso na yinya me pa yeso mpa boy wo tiri bia no ye de beto omuti e momuti me raise Ghana flag no ama na akosoro kwa
yi Paul family offer Paul family kwa asam no so
hello
kwa asam no so
from Ataiko
kasa
le say Kotoko fona mko kana pele ndo mko show mu train we akaka dan be train no mo ye ne se pa ba se omumfa serious na mfa ko game na
fantastic oja Kotoko supporters seriousness mon fa ni bre enko Nigeria na mon ko sia kanu players na mon hye wo mo fire for fire oja
na let me say well na let me say well
Johnny Showa pedo be pa kobi Johnny Showa fantastic afternoon bibia boko more fire champion Baron, more fire. Weekend, holiday. As usual. For
Rasta Park, but it is an
I'm a hat trick.
Sandra.
My 3 goats hat trick.
Oh,
I say we cry, I'll make anything.
And away,
me catch you, go say, Boko, me say, moon training me for me, call me go for now, Mamu Egypt. Oh, Juga,
Rasta 9, you be near
boys here. Charlie Akobo Abutolia Bukudi do man and Sanabo. Sadi, and you're fine. Well, your coach is over control. Coach in the overcoat. Ghana for coach in the you be coach for front and in term. Ume tem because anyadia coach we be also coach here. Ama Ghana for so so mu ko pa akwa
qualify na nche bi
na me kasa na wan na be kwa akwohwe cha akwoti apia na ekoti a wan na be ko stadium akwa akwohwe bo na dem ye Jimmy fu ana sabi se me coach we na coach Blasters na me makwa ma waste me time akwa stadium akwa akwohwe Abraham nim so wonya ade
until say be new coach on Blasters
na when you coach o say me kwa hwe no for what me kwa hwe dey na me
until say be new coach
me kwa Dabi intina me fie kwa na ma hwe
ya ti ase
what about say
ya ti ase
na dey e dey na me kwa hwe what new
ya ti ase
e dey new there's nothing new we see ne tactics asan
in the authorities na omo ye den
any ntem omo pe coach for ba ne ntem
okay nti say ne de omo agi atum so omo pe coach
omo pe coach for
okay
na unya no mo pa coach ne ma na
we say e bua wo mo na wo mo a
David say
na Ghana ni say we na coach
say dey o si ye ni dey nye say wo gitum na o man kasa agi atum so mo fa
ja wo ni ma ye
say me so wo gitum na o mo so gitum say omo pe coach for fra eni ja no mo fa coach
na wo kai wo mo
and kai wo
of course
okay
nintem
me say ye be from mo am nko achi ye will look out for ye Ghana for ye bi omo betimi aye adwuma no
fantastic
ebirim be ye omo koye
fantastic
omo nko achi ma abofo bi amaji
sa CVC ni nyina ye de ko
omo ye fine
sa CVC
the sample for na abofo na omo go ba no ye will look at coaches omo betimi aye sa adwuma na aye ne omo ye no
ko bi yujitum
Oto ado
no medical catch say ye local.
Masa dey say ni now
catch say ye local content.
Fantastic.
They are foreign coach wo.
And ebi wo.
Ebi mo.
Me foreign me ka say ebi like local content. Say ebi wo.
Oh, and ye say omo aka sam for mani film. Say ne.
Na dey wuntimi mo a wonya Ghana na wo mo.
Na me say me dey mani film as.
Me dey mani ahwe Oto ado capable. Sa so na Masa dey say you capable. Sa ko fom yenu we
edin a wo show ne say edin a wo
show mo
was so decide say me tezo coach Oto ado crowd me nim say o coach kakra me wa
o coach ya
ni ani o coach e ko fa ne be assistant obesua ade e
ba so
ebe si na hwe coach ya wo coach wo dey akwasi apia ne CV be no di coach bra
o dey osua ade
ana me ni coaching way this is coaching this is coaching
we shouldn't take it away from
na akwasi apia no say o ya de chance ki akono
na je sike no kokoto kwa pam
ni oh ani dey say problem na Marino kra empam no
na me ken
Vicente de Bosque ya empam no
na me ken
Capello ya empam no
oye coach
Capello Fabio Capello kra ya empam no
coach was the sort say ka koto ko Africa
what I'm saying
coach papa
so Capello ne empam no nya coach what the sort me buta you know
coaches are hired
to be fired na dia sem na Marino mu nyina ko empam o
nobody's true
na dia na che say ya pam o ntu nya de obu a o nya de ya
na obi on so a o ye adwuma na onya so
na me ka say na me pa de enya onya otan o se udi tike ni akosi apiato a tike ni made cha ni bebere me na me ka kire o
okay
ade na won make kano
sike nche you know
o sa akosi apia learning from the job what me learning from the job
ade ba ko wo se ehun say Black Star platform no difference any difference no so o say fantastic of course it is a comparison there go there me pese be
what I'm saying
sike start national sike start so national team
yes
no board who money me obi a betim dey na compare akosi apia say ne assistant coach the Tanko metimini
tanko suya de tanko ni bibia tanko si bibia channel
na oji tum say tanko CV ye tanko ni bibia na tanko eno ne eye adwuma na o fi say ono nya de no
head coach na assistant coach
asama we kan wan tia na
Martina asam na situation bisa say
obo coach school di no obo tanko di nti obo tanko di me ka asama chama onye panyini ncheme o te na me ka wonim nyansa ncheme me ka kire wo me ka no kura kire wonim nyansa ncheme ana onye clever ncheme onye smart guy ncheme owura kume pese me ka kire wo say tanko nim ko chichen akwasi apia me nsuru kan ana tanko so ewo bibia chan akwasi apia I don't care whether we tanko ye an assistant tanko ya de chen ana say kura wo mu no mu kan kure ekura mu no mu kan kure Ibrahim tanko ni akwasi apia jira wa na share ye kuta Sivia also a head coach
ba mu bi
me kan na me ngene me ho
ba mu bi ni na ka
mo kama ta mame
amu bi ni na ko
ma kama ta mame ya omumienu ena koti say
ena me kai
ena ba ko na head coach on the take decision wono o kana man fa me kan wan fa so at the end of the day who is the head coach you have assistant but the head coach ultimately head coach
but oh they also boa
me no nyina na wa ena kwati apia yi oye adwuma Orlando enye coaching wo oye adwuma e Orlando
how many years now
ana machine no ya di Orlando and ya kotam ne bra Atuko Fio
obaya assistant coach
obaya Atuko Fio
enti sa coach ne ya wo sia na data bepemene
on fali ni power ya assistant coach amamrofu we nyina ebebesi na hwe coaching from basabasa bi o coach na who need philosophy who need tactics on fali class o kan coach we ya mama no apu coach we sua de from Atuko Fio the late time that be from Atuko Fio time na coach be sua Atuko Fio say the word o sinima dia want me answer the papa bi enfra Atuko Fio and ye the blaster man we
you share experiences akwasi apia enya from sa coach say o say kabade stank wa ko nani more
coach apia some dem ko ka bi wo ba bia man no
so opportunity no nya so opportunity no nya
na banana for o pasa wo beat me bia na say
da bi o beat o chera
wo bia beat na
ka o
fe
so asese tanko mo ya de chen no o mo ya de chen
asese
enye asem na aba ade more fire Ujani sewa. Wa more fire. But Nasco led TV. Tell me Nasco led TV oba. Nano. Ya ko Egypt na me tell me baby that very relaxing. Na me kuta me water bottle. There be a vortex bottle this you this. Madi si ho. Wo baya. The die le wo. Me walo. The die le wo. Me walo third one na cha ku me tu ya ba le. Alors the deal um fioko e fa ho bai fioko e fa ho bai
ukra what about today dey no mama ye boni
na what about today
me wo dey wo
about today so
dey
o mi no wa fe wo me dey wo say me no be ye ya na
ana bi me si fioko fire
e just so busaza
ave me si fioko what you mean yalo we nya
ma ko ni fi ko di di adada nti
me wa be mi
o ba me dey na me ko di di
me na me smile
me dey manda
o ga mi dey mutu o ga mi dey
unyo yentie kotoko yentie kotoko supporters ye bia na yemra kotoko fire no and at 3 p.m. mo training grounds no ye nyina be storm me o e wa aka academy more fire
me put that no omama abeg pass officer obaya no sa omama
it message that for you so bia fan pa bon 30 minutes ni yanko ne godi nkurim fa mra Ghana man ne kotoko supporters nyina
I has my API qualification right from Cape Coast na me bejan my API qualification
message supporters say e pa bon bet type press win machi o kwa kwa be power Nigeria wadaba na from no Ghana so bibia be yo kai da man
so bon pa say urade be to su pa ego your players na luck say yin no we are west crying ko draw my yin ye petu 2 draw or 1-1 draw number and no order be die
me pe we wo ho then draw me pe papa my team na draw na ko draw na ye ko show na ye we ne dem enti ye ko yi ye ko wini so ti ase ye sabaga na Kumasi Sports Stadium ye sa wini
ye mfa mpa bonta team na chi na wo nko omo bodro kra na go bi amakra na ye danya miase
achoe pa wego omunya 1 na 2 a ye okay na players omu mi omo mbo
ze fa mpa bonta omochi na ye ka se omo ko wini ma ye omo wini ma ya se na be hwe omo ha se ne no ye be san be hwe omo airport ne ya bo se na omo
let me hear say
what is supporters no
some mo kan na me ne omo ya
confident
sure omo ni the team nechi omo expect say kotoko benya good result every Nigeria Champions League enya confederation Champions League de mu edin enti kotoko ye omo adwen say
ball no kura teams ana
kotoko ye team oh yes no kra but me person me chane say as compared to confederation no teams na ye shi omo ho no difference no so Champions League
no mu edin difference you feel ball
the moment e confederation the moment e confederation e Champions League me say difference yes me point no nti ne make can say mo mu nyo ma
bin say na Manchester ball confederation
yeah no so ho
but time no be do
say e fa say kotoko e na Ghana ha omo lead omo performance was normalization omo Nigeria
yes
enti omo represent e Champions League and I make say Champions League ni confederation difference wo omo make sure say omo tem no omo boy e Champions confederation omo be yim or say omo improve because they net kroma ye ni the teams ni be ye ha na ye nim the kotoko so ko ye outside against Kano Pillars no at least ye nya draw ko afi wa we are sure they say we home no we betimi aye 1 or 2 na bia watimi qualify na the ko anim very important say ye ko ho no me te say na supporter ba ko kan ye o se ye be hia away goal no wo betimi nya goal but one bodo one win a me hu fa so e wo so at least unya goal no na wotimi di nya draw a the best and I say wotimi nya winner wotimi nya slight win bia eno betimi aboa ama e bia wo game na wo home no eno akwakwa e mia e bia tim di about enti ne ka ne say emu be den bet kotokwa enim no e ba ne say spirit no e do time e decider fakwa Nigeria for dey so dey ene omo ye nuafo enti edu ho na e sheda nya de bi ehu bia
fire for fire
sa pepepe supporters wo ko Ghana wo ko Nigeria Ghana for bebregu
supporters wo
Nigeria for man ko bebregu kotoko
okay
enti dey won ni say
boys no
omo ba yi na management ni technical team so no o so omo yesterday
china ye be sa
pepepe o me won se bi won se me de mo
mami ko ayi wo dia mpese wo kan ho ase there be no abia kotoko na mpese wo ti ade emre ko wo na mpese wo analyze sa situation wo asa wo ko fa na ba na wo mu ofie ni mpese wo de pass etie ntie wo mu ma abega pass no abega striker no senior supporters ni kase wo mu ma na pass no ye ni ntemame ni entie
I beg you pass. If you say Obaya no, so man pass ya. You who say when you born na say oya dey. When you born, so esa man pass. I beg Obaya when you say 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
Good. So what?
But the
also we obi a wo no we paying wo club mo.
The woman say
it in person what address situation we be akoto player ba na wo nya pass sa na emie hu no so mfa so.
Intina I was a coach ni so the boys in the kasa.
Fantastic.
Because akoto player now for the best.
Coach no ti on ti catch them.
I was say we make sure say be man pass. Na odi say ni nya pass ni be hu so obeya de ano nya. Last year about Confederation Cup.
Yes.
Emma Karibanji.
Yes.
And oba kotoko.
Yes.
Unsettled because ni teammates ko ni mom.
More fire.
Intina was say or settle into the team. Until I say the teammates now the man affiliate home.
Good.
Until also more money pass.
By supporting him.
Yeah, of course. And they
are beg and maybe fi say crosses in the bank about one height.
Oh what? Until I was coaching also best strategy. Best you to know.
Yes.
Yeah, area boss.
Yes.
Because our area advantage.
Yes.
Now I make it good, very good use of it. And visa no beat me up one. And strength.
Fantastic.
As at now. Until I know as a coach no. And also who quite before so issue player no. Now Kasache boys no.
Ora me supporters they can hear the say. As a woman, Omuhu, say, yeah, man, pass.
Oh, no, so the first match, that was the first match. And now, for all you know, the players on your boy, no, Oma antennas here. Maybe on the runs. Because there was a player.
Because I said, Omusi come man pass, mom. I to say, Bia, Omo team Numudano, Fisabia, or Bega Baba, Shiny Giant, yeah, man, pass.
Oh, that be. Say Oba Osegwa for team no.
Fantastic.
But Ebia, the movement, no one ye.
Good.
Oh, we player. We say, who does say my pass.
Fantastic.
Because the bro, unya born and say we were her.
Fantastic.
I was saying the man.
Fantastic.
Ebia, omunyan chom wasi.
Okay.
No problem.
But of course, it say be omum person be man pass.
A coach also ye ho adwuma. Say coach na adwuma. Ona also ye ho adwuma ka chom masa. We na me Arrowhead. Area bobi amon pajama no. Munya ball no so amon piama no na be adwuma. A coach na adwuma also.
Fantastic.
Okay.
Okay.
It's very important.
More fire. Nyame aduma ye be share training ground so 3 p.m. Ewa Accra Academy.
But mo mo because more represent Ghana.
Fantastic.
And amun kugu enim ase.
Fantastic.
Yem person bugu enim ase.
Mate. High sense. Oja.
Let me hear say